Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Chainlink, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors. We keep riding this cloud out here. It's getting very, very interesting, nice and tight, if you will. The consideration for a short, but of course, that's just what people think right now. Everyone's kind of thinking that the price is going to go down and we should just short everything. Truth is, it may or may not, honestly. We want to double check to see if there's any confirming factors. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And quick little congrats to our community members. Nice profits here from our premium group. We took some healthy profits from Dogecoin, 40%, Reef, 36%, and ICP, 32%. That was trades we took roughly a couple of days ago. And then same thing with Bitcoin too. We took a Bitcoin long from 43,000 to 52,000. That gave us 86% return. So congrats on that. And congrats to our members who didn't short Bitcoin recently and are not getting destroyed. I hear through the grapevine in my community here, there's other groups that are just getting wrecked trying to short at 50K. So please, folks, be careful right now shorting. So it's gonna hit. We're gonna see if there's any reason to consider a short with this coin. It hasn't been a coin we've shorted successfully in the past, but we just got in and got out quickly, right? There's no reason to hold on to a trade for very long if you're considering a short position. I think it's kind of foolhardy right now with millions of dollars just flowing into Bitcoin every day, okay? So take a look at Chainlink here. We can kind of see, let's double check the moving averages. We are above all of them. There's no surprise there. In fact, this is one of the more bullish coins out there as far as SMAs on the daily. We can also see the same thing with stochastic RSI, even though it's swinging down. That is typically a bearish sign. We're still holding right there at 70 on the RSI, and money flow index is high. MFI at high pretty much implies you don't want to short. Okay, that's just the bottom line. So daily time frame is super bullish. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. We can double check a couple of other key factors and recognize we're above the 20-day SMA, or sorry, kind of right there within it. Preferably we close above there at that 0.786 fib level at just say $20.25 or higher. That would be great. If not, it's not going to be the end of the world. It just kind of implies we got to pay closer attention being under that moving average. Take a look here, of course, at the traditional indicators here on the 4-hour. These are all bullish signs here. Stochastic swinging up. We got traditional money flow index and RSI looking good there. And of course, MACD is diverging, which isn't really a big deal because it's losing momentum. Okay, so try not to buy into the whole MACD divergence as the only indication of taking a position. While it is true that we are establishing lower highs and lower lows so far, we do got to recognize that trend reversal could be occurring here soon by breaking through this range. Okay, so let's talk about that. Let's quickly just go ahead and draw out some levels here. Let's go ahead and give us something to kind of pay attention to a little later, just so we can kind of see it a little more transparently. Again, trend lines are not like definitive lines in the sand, folks. You don't just take a trade based on that. But the fact that we're holding strong on this ascending trend, we're right there at the current volume profile of $21.15. Just above, those are all bullish signs, okay? Take a look at the hourly. Let's double check this here too and kind of see where we're at. Because again, with trend reversals, the way to identify that is to establish a higher high. So for this example, we got lower lows and lower highs, right? You can see that channel, price working itself down. As soon as the price action breaks above this descending channel, you want to kind of pay attention, okay? So we got a higher high there. It's not important until it breaks above this most recent high, however, which has just happened right here. So that implies we have much more consideration for the price action to establish higher highs and higher lows from here moving forward, and that we are an ascending channel. Okay, so you can kind of see that here. So that we're pretty much, we've broken the descending trend, we've broken out of our range bound activity, and we're establishing higher highs and higher lows. Again, you got to look at the hourly to see this. It would be nicer if we saw this in the 4-hour, but this is still beneficial nonetheless. Take a look at that, combine that with the cloud here, and we get this, I wouldn't say it's confirming factors at all, because this is actually not really a bullish sign whatsoever, but we're still seeing some positive momentum. Okay, so in other words, we're not out of the woods yet, right? Just because we established this little range, or we're broken free from that range, we can see here that conversion line's barely above the baseline, lagging spans barely free and clear, and we're just now barely above the cloud, okay? I don't like to trade on barelys. I don't know about you, but I like to know something's going to be right when I take it, okay? And at this point, a little premature. So what we're looking for is a closure above this level here, this 0.786 fib at $20.25. If we can get that closure today and Bitcoin stabilizes at 51.5 and maintains 51,052K, we're going to be just fine. We should be able to see a potential long consideration for Chainlink. So I'm just going to put that on the charts there so you can kind of pay attention and understand that we're in pretty decent shape here as well. So I'm also going to copy this here, this channel, just so we can kind of pay attention to that and just kind of confirm that we are ascending positively in this little trend here. Okay, we've broken this descending trend, and there's no real reason to consider shorting this coin at this point. Okay, But again, a long position, still kind of iffy at the moment, right? So just bear with me here. Trust me on this, folks. Patience pays off. We are patient and we took healthy profits here, okay? Mainly because we were patient, we didn't jump ship. There are some people that saw the price go down as soon as we took entry. You know how many times the price can go down as soon as you jump in? It's literally a 50-50 chance. Anyways, the prices went down. Some people jump ship. The price goes right back up and breaks all these resistances and comes through to these profit targets. And some people are very frustrated by that. Again, frustration occurs if you're not patient. If you're patient and it doesn't play out, that's all good. But if you're patient and it plays out the way you want it to, like it should, that's how trading's supposed to work. Okay, at least swing trading. Again, day trading, different story. You can day trade your life away if you want. I've got Premium Plus spots here, Cardano, and what is it, BNB, as well as AVAX. We're short on all those as far as the smaller time frames concerned. But either way, took some nice long profits from Solana, XRP, etc. Anyways, enough about that. Just want to educate you, because if you're part of my group and you're not finding success, you're probably just doing it wrong. You're beating your head against the wall and using the wrong tactics. I have everything laid out here, simply put in our signals guide. Read through that so you know the difference and how the signals are supposed to be traded. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Hope you learned something here today. Last but not least, you got to check out Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Link down below for this exchange if you want to have some nice rewards. No KYC or VPN. They have trading competitions only eligible for my members that use the link to register, and that'll happen later this month. Yeah, they're also adding 200 trading pairs to the exchange here soon as well on the 20th and on, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thanks again either way for watching, folks. I appreciate you nonetheless. Hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.